It is time for Package from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. It is time for a package from China. And we got the Mini G1 Classic Family and Arcade Games from Mind Kids. It comes in a pretty funny box. And yes people, we don't have to wait. The Sega Mini Classic is finally here. Alright, let's open it up and let's see what's inside. Then the question remains, what comes inside the box? Let's begin with a power adapter. It comes with a European power adapter, in my case, and a micro USB at the end. It only supports AV out, so that's a little bit of a bummer, and it even got mono sound. So, It comes with two controllers. I'm going to leave this one in plastic. Don't need it. It got a 6-button layout from the original Sega, and I must say it feels good. Nice button response. So I'm very curious how they are going to work in the game. The system itself is really funny. Tiny power on and off switch. That doesn't do anything. Ooh, clicky reset button. We got here the two connectors for the controllers. At the back we're finding AV out and power. So yeah, it's a really funny, cute thing. So yeah, let's power it on and let's see what we're going to get. We are here in the dark and I'm alone with you guys. So, alright, let's power on the system. Does it have the... What is this? Normally it has this freaking depressing song. Oh yeah, love this funky groove. Oh, the main menu is really nice. It got some good games. Nice. Never played this game. Cyber Justice. Double Clutch. All the Double Dragon games are on it. Right, you can use the right at the D-pad for skipping to the next list. Hellfire is a really nice game. We even got Mortal Kombat. The little thumbnails are really awesome at the bottom. Do 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 do. Dun 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 dun. Ooh, Sonic 1 and 2. Street of Rage 2. Street of Rage 3. It got all three of them. Oh, that is really nice. Sunset Riders, nice. What's this? Oh, the fighting game. Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god, it got both Turtle games. Oh, I'm so excited now. Alright people, let's do some gameplay. I'm so curious, how are the game running? Alright people, for the final conclusion about the Sega Mini Classic from China. First of all, I really love what they did with the case. It looks really like a Megadrive 1, only mini and cute. It's very lightweighted, so there's a little tiny PCB board inside, nothing special. The controller itself is very nice. Responsive D-pad, as you have seen in the video gameplay. Street Fighter 2 or Turtles Tournament Fighter, the moves come out instantly, very nice. Maybe in clickish, cheap as clickish feeling will not say, but sound to it. But the controller buttons respond very nice. And overall, I really love what they did with the controller. Not a cheap ass controller like you normally see with these clones. Very long cable. Funny thing is, it got the original connector, so that is really funny. It doesn't have a save function, so yeah, it doesn't have HDMI. So, and there was no way of adding new games. So there are a little bit of downsides, but yeah, there is always room for improvement. And overall, what you see is what you get. It got some really nice games on it. The games seems to be running just fine. If you see a glitch, what I didn't see, or hear something that is not normal, please leave it in the comments. I really love some feedback. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell because you get notified for upcoming new videos. And see you next time. Bye bye.